来看新技术，过去因为成本甲口感，这人造肉贵三三，阁有人嫌歹食。即阵英国有研究团队是利用秘鲁结了无爱滴的假母，或者人造肉的纤味阁较像真正的肉。做伙来看。
人造牛肉片伫个位仔顶煎甲油滋，看到足好食的。若搁加一寡青的菜色，就是真好食的料理。伫全球地缘甲粮食供应链一直变化之下，实验室的肉类未来会是国家安全战略的主角。不过口感甲成本，这几档煞大大影响人造肉的发展。
So this is spent yeast that the guys at Big Smoke have been kind enough to provide us.
英国科学家即马可能找到解决的方法。伦敦大学学院研究团队利用做秘鲁村的假母，会当合成纤维素的木质醋酸菌，帮助伊分泌出高品质的细菌纤维素。安尼做出来人造肉，甲天然的肉片无啥真差。了后，再搁进一步生成纤维素的骨架，未来会当互人造肉的细胞吊伫顶头继续生炭，甲精实。
To make meat that tastes good, we need muscle cells, we need fat cells, we need connective tissue. So it's trying to get all those different cells to grow and proliferate on our cellulose, and then hopefully we can produce something meaty.
这个对酒杯到食饭桌顶的创新研发，由伦敦大学学院的博士生哈里森发表伫个营养学前线的期刊。伊表示，其实细菌会当伫个无共的物质上培养，那用原本就要废掉的秘鲁假母，就更较有意义啊。
I mean, it's very modern. It's very forward thinking, isn't it? It's it's kind of solving, is going to help solve problems with, that we haven't got the land for the cattle.
甲这培养出来的纤维素薄片，一层一层塌起来，做出立体的结果，也是甲因培养成无共款的形体，甚至到喙，就当做出亲像假肉、汉堡夹，也是完全安尼的产品。不过目前纤维素骨架的研究，还搁伫个概念实验阶段，也无法度大量生产。
Lab-grown meat is the idea that we can make meat synthetically without involving any animals. So you might be aware that there's many problems with animal farming at the moment, both from an environmental and an ethical perspective.
无需要牧场嘛，无摆摊，像安尼利用有机废弃物伫个实验室做出肉类，未来可能嘛是地缘政治甲气候变迁之下粮食安全的解决方法。不过要真做稳定的粮食供应来源，未来还阁有真侪路爱行。记者洪如梅编译。